Hello everybody, my name is Christian aka Good Guy Gaming, and today I'm going to play some X-Run in this server. I can't remember what the name is, but let's just find a game. X-Run. Oh yeah, I'm in now. Cool. This is the lobby, I guess. Let's just run around here. Bam 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 bam. Flowers. I gotta pick it to my girlfriend. I have no girlfriend because I'm a forever alone guy. So I'm new at YouTube. Yeah, I'm new. So this is my first video on this channel. I have another channel where I speak Danish. So I'm just trying this out by speaking English, of course. I'm not so good at speaking English, but I want to try. So yeah, why not give it a try? That's my thought. That's what I think. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah. Now it's what the fuck? 80 seconds? Oh my lord, you gotta be kidding me. That's too much. I don't wanna be waiting this much. Oh, whoa, look at this stadium, by the way. Lobby, I guess. But quite wonderful. It's quite wonderful in here, I think. It's pretty cool. Like Cartman says it. Cool. Anyways, 60 seconds. Not that long. I can handle it. 50 seconds now. May the countdown be near. Just kidding. Maybe I'm gonna play with some friends, you know, later or sooner. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. I hope I get some subscribers. So if you can hear my sister in the background, just ignore it. I don't know what she's doing, but just ignore it. I'm playing some X-Run, and if I rage, I hope you'll laugh or have think it's funny, because when my friends rage, I laugh the hell out of me. I mean it. It's so freaking funny. Oh my god. Oh, we started. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I already died. Trollolololol. Wait. Whoa, 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 Lord. Have mercy on this. Whoop. I think I'm gonna take it slow here now. And then run and jump. Oh, I almost had it. Oof. Almost died. Gotta take it slowly around here. Then run and jump and jump. Woo. That's good. That's good. Now I'm shifting because I don't wanna be running too fast around here. And then I guess I'm going down here. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like that. And then what? Oh no, not this part. Oh fuck. No. I died. So what? I don't care. But I hate this part. Ugh. Lord have mercy on this shithole. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, help! Help! Dude, punch me. What the fuck is going on with your eyes? I think it's good if you go to a doctor. Yeah, do that. Yes, I'm falling. Now I'm gonna take it easy. And then run. And then, oh my lord, it's so hard. Oh my god. Can't I reset or something? No, help me, mates, help me. I haven't got past this yet, so if I get past this, it's so freaking awesome. I think I'm gonna jump here. Oh, I almost had it. So annoying. Yeah, you're ugly. What? Where's my bugger skin? I usually have a bugger skin, just so you know. I'm a bugger, of course. Yeah. Let's try to jump over this. I did it. No! Damn! So annoying. Almost got it. So close, man. I landed there, but it's so fast. Oh my lord. So annoying. Bitch. Oh, I didn't say that. Did you hear that? Ignore that. I'm not speaking this way. So let's do this. No! What am I doing? I wanna punch you. I wanna punch you. Greeny bandit. Oh shit. He died. Sure. Now I'm gonna get this. Yes, I did. I did it. No! I did it. Damn. So annoying. Oh, almost did it, man. I almost did it. So annoying. Next time I land there, I press shift. Just so I don't do that again. So, oh, he failed. Haha. Karma is coming back. I can feel it. Then go this way. Oh, I can't see anything, bro. No, too fast. Get me out of here. Someone help me. Get me out of here. Why is Cobweb like that? I hate you, Cobweb. I hate you. So dumb. Then take it easy. Take it easy, man. Slow ride. And then no way. No. X run. How much time is there? Oh yeah. Okay, that's a lot of time. Only 7 runners. I thought there was many. Only 6 runners now. Almost fought there because of luck. Then I have to do this. So hard, man. Oh my god. What do I have to do to not deserve this? I'm falling. Help. I'm falling again. How many times have I died now? Heavy thoughts. Fuck you. Come on! It's pissing me off right now. Please do it faster. I'm down. I'm getting down. Oh, thank God. Slow right. Take it easy. Where's the other guys? Oh my God. I'm doing it. No! Damn. I'm doing it this time. I'm doing it this time. I swear to God. I'm doing it this time. I mean it. Oh. Okay. Now I know what I have to do to get over that. No! Whoa. Shit, that's fast, man. So bullshit. Bull shrimp, like Preston said it. I like Preston. He's a nice guy. Whoa. Steve, don't fall, you ugly bastard. Steve, don't fall. I died. Sorry, had to burp there. What? What the hell? Did someone punch me? Oh. Ah, damn. Almost. Well, did you know VIP can above can fly? No, I did not know that. Just so you know. And I'm doing it this time. Just take it easy. Oh my lord. That's really killing me right there. This part is the worst. I mean it's the worst. And that smile is killing me too. Tra-la-la. Oh, the other guys is over there. Oh my god, that's far away from me. They left me right. Can't I do this? Can't I do this? Respawn. Oh. Yes, I'm a gamer. I know that. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm not doing it this time. I'm not doing it. It's just impossible, bro. Oh my. Get me out of here, please. Someone save me. I'm a little girl. Save me. No, I'm not. I'm a teenage. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh my god, so close. What the heck am I doing? I have 100 lives now. I have 100 lives left. Please don't finish, runners. Oh, wait. Unlimited speed, huh? No shit, Sherlock. Oh my god. Oh, this is getting me right now. So hard. It's so annoying. Come on, let me fall. It's more better than hanging around these cobwebs. Idiots. So, I'm doing it this time. Oh lord. Oh, yes, I did it. I did it. Thank you, God. I did it. Oh, oh no, no, no. No, no, oh, no, no, no. Oh, please. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Please. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my lord. Thank you, shift button. Thank you. Oh, don't lag on me now. Don't lag on me now. Oh, I'm making it. Oh, what the fuck? I did it, I did it, I did it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Say there's a checkpoint. No, I'm not again. I'm not ending up there. Oh god, oh god. That's good, that's good. Wait, no! I thought I was faster. Why am I so slow right now? Wait. Oh, what the heck? Oh, slow ride. Then take it easy. Now I have to take it easy. Okay, I'm doing it this time. Good, Christian, take it easy. Happy thoughts. Okay, concentrate. No speaking in 5 seconds. Ah, damn. Too early. I jumped too early. That's pissing me off right now. Okay, jump at the very last end, okay? Wait. Ah. What? Did someone win? No. Oh, okay. I thought someone won. I was like, what the heck? Already. I have to finish this game. Why? What the heck? Ah, someone won. Oh well. Thank you for watching. It was, fine playing this game. But next time I think I want to play Hunger Games with a friend, maybe. So, if you like this video, and maybe you want to subscribe, so if you feel free to do that. Subscribe and like this video. So, yeah, my name is Good Guy Gaming, aka Christian. So, see you later.